Hello adventurers! Today I'm so excited to share this video with you guys as I finally completed my mini camper box for my Tesla. But without further ado, let me show you guys exactly how I built my mini camper box. So let's dive right in.
I've been wanting to make a mini camper box for the last few months now and decided to do that today. I reached out to my friend Jimmy from the YouTube channel Living in Tesla for advice. He gladly wanted to help. And even having limited equipment and negative carpeting skills, we still managed to build a mini camper box. We came up with a design that would optimize all the space possible as space is limited. We decided on a single piece that would have two parts to it. The first part, which faces forward towards the cabin, would serve as an extra storage space / where the water jug would be. This area will be accessible by moving the backseat forward. The second part, facing towards the trunk, will be the single slide-out drawer whereon the stove would sit. Then we went to Home Depot to get the plywood and some supplies. I will link all materials used down below in the description. The plywood we used was 1.5 inches thick. A total area of 2,580 square inches of plywood was needed, cutting it into 11 different pieces of wood for the build. The Home Depot guy was nice enough to make all our major cuts for us. Thank you for that.
So, we just got our supplies from the Home Depot and now we're gonna start building the little camper box to the right side of my car.
Then we started to build. The first thing we did was make the drawer whereon the stove would sit on. I put in 3 screws in each side to give it a steady base, as the sliders will be attached to the sides of the drawer. Then we took measurements again inside the trunk to make sure we had enough space for the metal support beam, making a U-cut. For both the left and right side, I also cut off the edges of the support pieces to allow for the back seat and trunk to close without damaging the interior. Also, knowing that the camper box would move around a little bit while driving, I wanted to protect the interior. I covered all the contact points with an edge protector, and on each corner I placed a hard corner protector. After finishing cutting the support pieces, we attached the heavy duty sliders at a height of 5 inches so that the drawer can easily slide out. Then we attached the center support piece and we drilled a hole in this top face support piece for the propane tank.
I then encountered a problem, something that I had feared.
You're caught up on this corner over here.
I see.
You're stuck. Yeah.
Yeah, I should do that because let's say
I wanted the camper box to be semi-permanent so that in case my car needs service, the camper box could be easily removed. I ended up cutting off a piece of the left side supporter piece to allow for more room, as the metal support beam made moving the camper box in and out more difficult. I also added a flippable table attached to the door hinges on top of a pull-out table, so when I'm cooking, I would have more space. Now it was time to cut the subdivider into half so that I could still access the subtrunk. This was fascinating because I had no idea what the material made of the subdivider. I cut off the excess trim and sanded it down to make it perfectly fit. Now that I put the camper box inside the car, I noticed that it was a little bit uneven. To fix this, I put a piece of plywood underneath the right side of the subdivider to act as an extra support piece. Then I cut the rubber mat to fit on top of the drawers and extension piece. I also added a wall-mounted paper towel holder to the bottom of the table with some Velcro to secure it while I'm driving. And for the final piece, I wanted running water. I ran a silicone tube from my 5-gallon water jug all the way towards to my water dispenser. Now the only thing to do was place the burner stove onto the drawer and the build was complete.
Thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope you guys found some inspiration with me converting my own Tesla to fit my personal needs. If you do decide to convert your Tesla and build a little mini camper box like myself, send a picture my way. I would love to check it out. And if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing as I head down south to put this camper box to the test. And I do like warmer weather because I also like wearing shorts year round. And as always guys, stay adventurous, stay awesome, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.